Is your smoothie messing up your gut? The truth about summer smoothies. Hi there, I'm Dr. Ina Melamed, functional medicine practitioner, pharmacist, and gut health expert. Summer is the smoothie season. But are your smoothies secretly causing more bloating, blood sugar crashes, and sluggish digestion? Let's talk about the most common mistakes I see and how to build a smoothie that actually supports your gut and metabolism. I can't tell you how many clients come to me and say, but I can eat clean. I have a smoothie every morning. Yet they're still bloated, constipated, or crashing mid-morning. The problem? Most smoothies are loaded with sugar, fructose that comes from those sweet fruit, and the raw ingredients that your gut might not love. Bananas, mangoes, orange juice, that spikes blood sugar and can lead to gas and fatigue. Fiber overload. More is not better. Too much fiber at once can overwhelm your digestive tract. Here's how I teach my clients to make a gut healing smoothie formula. The gut loving smoothie framework breaks down like this. Number one, you have to have a liquid base, whether almond milk or hemp milk or even water. Clean protein. So clean, lean protein. Ideally, you want to use pea-based or vegan. That's especially for those with gut problems. They cannot handle whey protein because of dairy. Number three, you want to choose just one type of fiber. And it should really be fiber that's easy for you to digest. Number four, healthy fat. Number five, light greens. Nothing that's gonna rip your gut apart. Number six, low glycemic fruit. And number seven, gut boosting extras. Cinnamon, ginger, L-glutamine, or all three together. Depends on your preferences. I want to share a gut healing smoothie that I could sometimes use. Most of the time for me, it's not breakfast time, it's lunch time. Because for breakfast, I use more calories, more nutrient dense options. So for lunchtime, something like this could look good for me. About 8 ounces of unsweetened almond milk, and that could be hemp seed milk too. 1 scoop of vanilla pea protein. I can put the link for you in the description. 1 tablespoonful of ground flaxseed, and I mill that flaxseed first because I want my blender to be dry to do the best job to ground that flaxseed to powder. 1/4 of an avocado and a handful of baby spinach. Again, I wouldn't use baby spinach every day because of oxalates. Occasional use is fine. 1/2 cup of blueberries is ideal. I love those. Pinch of cinnamon. And you could use an additional gut repairing, GI repairing powder. You could put a scoop in there. I'll put the link in the description. Now you could blend it and enjoy it. There are different varieties. This is just one of my favorite ones. If you want more functional medicine tips to heal your gut, balance hormones, feel amazing, be sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to dive deeper, you could check out my program, and I'll put the link to my website in the description as well. This was Dr. Ina with you, Digestive Reset and Melamed Institute, and I'll see you guys next time.